Alright, we got BN Smoke versus Solz Wolf. I missed out on the first race, so you only getting 2 races. So we about to go ahead and watch Smoke demolish this little wolf kid. No, I said I'm about to watch Smoke go ahead and demolish this wolf kid. And ain't nobody calling your ass Marty. Nah, that's what slow people say. That's a slow person's mentality. I don't care if I win or not. If you slow, why would you call out a person that's faster than you? I would have respected you more if you would have called out FSU than him. That's terrible. Well, who? Kid. Who the fuck races in 240s? Let's look behind Smoke, y'all, and see who's behind him. Not a goddamn soul. Okay, YouTube, you can't hear what the dude said because I got my earpiece in my ear and Smoke just went into a glitch, but it's still on. Oh, Smoke just went into a glitch. Oh! Smoke, you're in a glitch. So the first race. Oh, there you go. Smoke back on track now. He gonna catch him. Okay, it's 1-1. The little wolf kid 1-1. Yeah, the wolf kid 1-1. YouTube, you can't hear what the dude said, but the nigga said that he slow. So cause you can't hear what I said. You can't hear what he said because I got my Bluetooth in my ear. But the score is 1-1. So now we just waiting for Smoke. You know, this is my car. Don't judge my car. My car is fucked up at the moment. Shout out to Disciples. Shout out to Black Nation. Even though I don't like Black Nation, First Lady and Ryder and Ant. UKZ, shout out to them 2 souls in here getting whooped. You know I fuck with souls though. Okay, oh shit. I want to join this race so bad, but I can't. So let's go ahead and spectate Smoke, shall we? Disciples GD74. Don't worry, I send you the link and stuff. Well, technically, I already have over 500,000 subscribers, so I don't care. Shut your ass up. Next nigga, race. Back to the race. Here go a round ball for all the MCLA players. You know what the hell this is. They can't hear what the hell you saying because I got my Bluetooth in my ear. Trying to get famous on my channel. If you could hear these niggas here. Look at my man Smoke. Usually he'll be fucking their ass up in a car. Alright, now let's look behind him and see who's back there, shall we? No one! I'm pretty sure you won't smoke my ass. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure you won't. If you can't catch Smoke, you cannot even come nowhere near catching me. Look, am I Kid? Am I in the same crew as Kid? No. Yeah, just close your mouth before you get yourself into something you ain't gonna get out of. Let's look behind Smoke, shall we, and see who's behind him. Not a goddamn soul. See, the dude just admitted again to being slow. YouTube, this shit is funny. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, YouTube. Look at this shit. Just cause y'all know the score YouTube is 2-1. This is about to be 2-1. About to be 2-1. Shut up. You're not even relevant no more. You're losing. You don't have the right to talk. No, you don't. No, you do not. No, you do not. You are losing. Until I see you touch first place, you are not even irrelevant. Let's look behind smoke again, shall we? Nothing there. Like, I swear, it's nothing there. It's like a dust of clouds. It's a dust of clouds. Shut up. Did I curse at you? Did I curse at you? Did I curse at you? No, I just said shut up. I didn't say shut the fuck up. Oh, shut your ass up, nigga. You was fucking annoying. Shut up. Now you finna make me ignorant. Oh, you was a fucking annoying bastard. You was an annoying bastard. You ain't even win one race. And the race you did win was by a glitch. It's not even technically a good win, nigga. Look at this shit. No one behind him again. 2-0. 2-0, YouTube. 2 motherfucking nothing. 2 jack. Oh, well, 2-1. He had to get that one race in by that glitch. 2-1, YouTube. 2-1. Look at this shit. He still didn't even finish the race yet. 2-1. Shit. Nah, I get one by looking at your mother at night. Hell yeah, I put it in. Next race. Yep, YouTube. You know, I'm driving around, while they race start. I'm just driving. You are such a motherfucking bitch. Okay, YouTube. Time to go back to spectating smoke. Okay. Let's watch Smoke whoop his ass again, shall we? You see how there's nothing behind Smoke? It's gonna be the same race and the same kind of effect in the next race. Watch it. Well, it ain't gonna be the next race. This is about to be 3-1. He has to get his one win. So it's about to be 3-1 here. You ready for this, YouTube? Look at this. Look at the nigga on the hot pink bike trying to take Smoke out. You saw that shit? I saw that shit. Did you see it? Whatever. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, YouTube. You see this shit? You see this shit, YouTube? He has no self-esteem. No self-esteem at all. Because any person with real self-esteem would have said, okay, fuck this, I know I'm losing, but they'd attempt to try to come back and try to win and be like, I'm not slow. You are slow, and you admitted to it. Any person with self-esteem wouldn't admit to that. That's just doubting yourself. That's just doubting yourself. Smoke, you see, just shut up. I ain't got time to be arguing with this little bitch ass nigga. Yeah. You see this? See this, YouTube? Nothing. Smoke is leaving him in a dust trail. You see this, YouTube? A dust trail. Nothing behind him. See this, YouTube? You see this, YouTube? Left in a cloud of dust. 3-1. Rewind. Look at the hot pink bike. You saw the hot pink come flying by? You see that shit? Lost. 3-1. Yep. I got my dignity. That's all he got is his dignity. I done made $1 million and I don't even go to college. Alright, YouTube, watch this. I'm racing now. I'm probably finna lose though, cause you know Toxic is faster than me, so I ain't even gonna bullshit. Now that is hard to believe. Alright, YouTube. Alright, YouTube. I don't care about them. Okay, YouTube, you see this? It's my baby right here. Hey, that clicking and clacking, YouTube. You know, don't judge me. You know, I don't do this all the time. Alright, YouTube. I'm over here. I'm racing over here. Come on, man. Get off me. Get off me, Toxic. You ain't have to hit me. Look at him trying to get in front of me. And the nigga flipped. Oh, this your boy. Oh, your boy messed up. Your boy messed up. Now I got a hawk down bad girl. You know, I got a hawk down bad girl. Before solz. You see that, YouTube? He put it up there in a message. I lost. Okay, now I got a hawk down bad girl. You know, bad girl. I don't know. She fast than that. You know, she seems to be pretty fast. You know. No, I had to turn that kind of sharp there, YouTube. You see that, YouTube? You sending messages saying I lost. Oh, I flipped. I flipped. I flipped. I flipped. No, I flipped. Yeah, you know, I lost 3-0 with a smiley face. That's the gay shit right there. Yeah, I just lost 2 that day. I was running a good race. I fucked around and I hit one wall. Yeah, bad girl finished first. I fucked up. Everybody saw my car's kicked out up underneath me. I ain't even go to college. Okay. Alright, YouTube. Catch y'all next time.